Ever wished you could seamlessly blend your preferred payment methods with your bulk buying bliss at Costco? Well, get ready to elevate your Costco shopping experience because today, we're diving deep into how you can absolutely use PayPal while shopping at Costco. First things first, let's tackle online shopping. Head over to the Costco website. The easiest way to find what you're looking for is to use that handy search bar at the top. Type in the item you want. Say, a new television or a bulk pack of your favorite snacks. Once you've found your desired item, simply click the Add to Cart button. You can continue browsing and adding more goodies, or proceed directly to checkout once you're ready. When you're done filling your cart, click on the shopping cart icon, usually in the top right corner, and then select Proceed to Checkout. Now for the magic. On the checkout page, scroll down to the payment section. You'll see various payment options listed, and you should find PayPal clearly displayed. Click on the PayPal option. This will take you to a secure PayPal login screen. Enter your PayPal username and password to access your account. Review your payment details on the PayPal screen to ensure everything looks correct. You'll see the total amount due for your Costco order once confirmed. Click Continue or the equivalent button to finalize the payment. And voila, your Costco order will be confirmed and your PayPal account will be charged. It's that simple to integrate your favorite digital wallet into your bulk shopping trips. So, whether you're stocking up for the holidays or just indulging in your favorite Costco finds, remember this simple guide. Happy shopping, and we'll see you in the next video.